Up.
1, 2, 3. Up.
Ay, who's that?
Good. Is that baby? Wow, good job, Zoe. Very good naman. So brave naman. Good.
Lift your head, Zoe.
Up. Is that baby? What?
A triceratops.
Okay. There's a dinosaur pala din. You like dinosaurs, Zoe? Yes. What's your favorite dinosaur? Baby T-Rex. Okay. Okay, flashlight lang ni Tita Doc. Okay, and may small mirror. Let's check your teeth. Open po. Ay, good job naman si Zoe. Very good. Mommy, dito sa right, nagsastart na lumabas. Pasilip ko sa inyo, ma'am. You can check po sa mirror.
Yun, yung maliit.
Yes,
Oo
opo.
nga.
So, kung mapapansin nyo, medyo natatakpan siya ng konti ng gum. So, sometimes medyo may discomfort lang pag pinangunguya siya, ha? Pero ano po, kailangan na brush na rin, ha? Dito sa left, wala pa.
Wala.
Yan na lang, hinihintay natin. Okay, good naman. Good job, Zoe. Okay, let's brush your teeth. Lagay lang tayo ng lip balm, Zoe, okay? Good. Mami, magiging ate na pala si Zoe.
Ayoko.
Kaya pala extra brave. You're ate na pala, Zoe? Ha?
Ate Zoe.
Ate Zoe na siya. Good job naman. Lipstick lang, okay? Lipstick. Good job naman. Very good. Let's brush your teeth. You can choose your brush, Zoe. Choose
What
one.
color? Choose a color.
What color do you like? White, blue, pink, green. So you can point which one. You like
Nahirapan.
color white
Color.
or color blue? Which one?
White or blue?
White or blue? Blue. Okay. Brush your teeth, Ate Zoe, ha? Good. Very good, Mommy, ang brushing, ha? Good job. May mga struggles pa ba tayo sa brushing? O wala naman?
Wala naman
Cooperative
ako.
naman na siya?
Oo, sanay
Very good.
na.
Let's brush your teeth, Zoe. And my pink toothpaste. You can watch Blippi muna. Good job, Zoe. Nagbabagal feeding pa ba si Zoe?
Hindi na po.
Hindi na. So more on ano na, solids lang talaga.
Mm.
Oh, very good. Open po tayo ng mouth. Like a big dinosaur, like a big T-Rex.
Open wide.
Okay, open wide. Ayun, thank you, Zoe. Good job. Let's use Mr. Straw lang, Zoe, ha? This is my friend, Mr. Straw. Get lang ng saliva. Let's try it on your lips. Okay, about on your teeth naman. Very good. Good job. Ay, good job naman. Open po, like a big dinosaur, like a big T-Rex naman. Ayun, thank you, Zoe. Pero mommy, wala naman siya nakukomplain na ouchie sa right. Wala naman kayo napapansin pag kumakain siya.
Ay, opo. Parang kahapon yata, nagsabi siya. Nasakit yung teeth niya.
Kasi ano siya yun, minsan natatamaan yung bilagi. Dun po medyo may pain or discomfort. Okay, let's get the big germs naman, ha? Good. Flossing, mom, nagagawa naman.
Medyo...
Yun yung medyo hindi lagi.
Hindi lagi.
That's daddy. Okay, let's clean your teeth na. Sige, yun na lang, mom, ha? Para talagang very, very good na. Though yung front niya may spaces naman, pero yung bandang molars kasi, especially pag tumubo na yung second molar niya sa taas, no, yun po yung madalas tight yung contact. Open pa tayo, Zoe. So, madalas po din sumisiksik yung plaque or hindi nakikilin ng regular brushing lang. Okay, meron again. Sa tooth face po, ano pong gamit ni Zoe?
Yung tiny buds po na green.
Green, okay. Open pa po, like a big dinosaur, Zoe. Ah, oh wow, thank you, Zoe. Hmm.
Or hindi pa rin siya marunong mag-ano.
Basket.
Mag-skate.
Sige po. Ano na, unti-untiin natin practicein. Pero okay lang yun, ma'am. 1,000 muna na ppm pa rin yung gamitin niya. Pag talagang kaya niya na, doon tayo mag-increase ng amount ng fluoride. Tsaka malaking bagay naman din na hindi na siya nagdedete or milk. So, okay lang kahit minimum
Ay,
amount.
nagmi-milk pa po.
I mean, pero sa ano, sa baso
Sa
na
baso.
lang. Oo, okay lang po yun. Minsan kasi ang nangyayari pag nagdedede, na kakatulugan, especially pag nighttime yung bottle.
Ay, yun, parang nag-form ng parang paano yung...
Yes po. So, yung 1,000 ppm, enough na po yun for her. In the big dinosaur, Zoe. Good job. Really? You want to be a dentist? Wow naman. O kaya kailangan take care natin maigi yung teeth mo, okay? Want to be a dentist, Zoe? Alalahanin ko yun lagi pag mag-revisit ka, ha? Smile, show me your biggest smile. Zoe, see. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Lagyan na lang si Tita Doc ng food vitamins. Wipey lang ni Tita Doc yung teeth ni Zoe. Almost done na. Okay, not yet. Last 10 counts na lang, Zoe. Wipe lang ni Tita Doc. Wipe. Wipe lang si Tita Doc. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost done. 5, 6, big mo po. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, Zoe. All done. 1, 2, 3, up. Are you ready to choose your prize, Ate Zoe? Okay. Baba ka muna, darling. I'll help you. Get down here. Here. Help it up. 1, 2, 3. Yup. Very good. Then you can pick your prize, Ate Zoe. You can choose one.
What do you like?
I like the doll, the cooking set, or Labubu. Labubuan. I think this is, may light shot.
Get one, Zoe. Any.
Hirap ba mag-decide? Dami kasi, no? Oh, you like the doll? Or the hair clip? You like the doll? You like that? Okay, you can get it
Get
now.
it na.
Okay, good job, Zoe.
Say thank you, Zoe.
What did you say now? You're welcome. I'll give you a star pa. Kasi very good ka today. Kasi nag-sit na ito sa Big Girl Charity Tita. Dito tayo. I'll give you your star. You like... What's your favorite color, Zoe? Ha? What's your favorite color? Do you like... Is it okay if I give you a orange star? An orange star? Okay. Oh, let's put it on your hand, ha? Oh, which hand natin ilalagay? Left hand or right hand? Right hand. Okay. Let's put the star on Zoe's hand. Okay. Oh, give me your hand. Ayun, dito natin lagay. Very good, Zoe. Good job. So far po, Mom and Dad, all good naman. Very good ang brushing, Mom, ha? Good job. Ano na lang? Flossing na lang para very, very good na tayo, okay? Then yan, nagsa-start na po lumabas, no? So next na